Today I want to show you, this is the hybrid battery of the Prius. So we need to open it and we need to check all the cells should be the 7.5 when you put the load with the bulb, and if the voltage go drop, like straight away go drop, and then you have to replace the one cell which one is going to be drop, and then normally 7.5 volts are at each cell. So it could be the 28 cells of this one. So today we doing to recondition the battery. We bought the cell from the eBay or internet, and then we will replace that cells. If you bring the car to us, we will do for you 350 pound with changing the cells, but it's depend on the cells what cells is could be. So if it's only one cell, two cells, we charge 350. If it's more, then we charge different price. So but car gonna be ready into 3 to 4 hours. So if you bring to us, you need my address: Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango, 171 Henworth Road, Hounslow, near Heathrow. My phone number is 07402536382. My name is Terry. You can contact anytime. We repair all type of ECUs, airbag, crash data resets, instrument cluster. So you can come and you can book the appointment with us. Thanks for watching my video. Okay, bye.